Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to set up the Rocket Money app. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you a question. Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly broke? If so, then you're in the right place. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that can help you take control of your finances and finally start saving money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Rocket Money and how to use it to track your spending, create a budget, and save money. So, let's get started. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, create a budget, and save money. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. How to set up Rocket Money? Download the Rocket Money app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create a Rocket Money account by entering your email address and password. Link your bank accounts to Rocket Money. You can do this by entering your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Once you've linked your bank accounts, Rocket Money will start tracking your transactions. How to use Rocket Money to track your spending. Once you've linked your bank accounts, Rocket Money will start tracking your transactions. You can see your transactions in the Spending tab of the app. Rocket Money will also categorize your transactions for you. This makes it easy to see where your money is going. How to create a budget with Rocket Money. To create a budget with Rocket Money, go to the Budget tab of the app. You can then set your income and expenses. Rocket Money will then create a budget for you based on your income and expenses. You can also make changes to your budget at any time. How to save money with Rocket Money. Rocket Money has a feature called Goals that can help you save money. You can set a savings goal and then Rocket Money will help you track your progress. Rocket Money also has a feature called Autosave that can help you save money automatically. You can set up Autosave to transfer a certain amount of money to your savings account each month. Rocket Money is a great app that can help you take control of your finances. If you're looking for a way to save money and improve your financial health, I highly recommend checking out Rocket Money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.